Hello there, everybody. I'm Maggie Herrington. I'm the office manager with the Purdue Extension Hamilton County office.
Hi, I'm Caroline Herrington.
Caroline is my daughter, and this is her first year in 4-H. She's a third grader. So we thought we'd do a little video for you today on 5 tips for a terrific 4-H poster. And so we're going to start with our first tip. Caroline, when we do a 4-H poster, should it be wide or tall?
It should be wide. That means horizontal.
That's right. A standard 4-H poster size is 22 inches by 28 inches, and we always want to make sure that it's 28 inches wide. All right, Caroline, when we're thinking about our colors for our 4-H poster, what are some things to think about?
You want to think about opposite colors, like green and red, blue and orange, yellow and purple.
That's right. Think about bright colors, colors that make a nice contrast. This is a rough layout of Caroline's poster, so we just use white because we're just trying to make sure that we get everything placed where we want it before we glue anything down. We always want to get it all laid out and make sure that everything will fit. And your poster does not have to be white. It can be any color that works for your exhibit. All right, Caroline, when we're deciding about our topic, what's important to remember about our poster topic?
You want to remember to keep it simple. So that means you don't want to have too many words.
That's right. We run out of space really fast on a poster this size, and we also don't want to burden our judge or our visitors, our fairgoers, with too much information to look at on our poster. So we want to keep our topic nice and simple. Our fourth tip for you is to not forget your poster ID tag. We actually haven't made ours yet, but what goes on the ID tag, Caroline?
It would go, so if I was doing it, it would go my name, my 4-H club, and my grade.
That's right. And where do we put the tag on the poster?
So you're going to put it on the right side in the bottom corner.
That's right. Approximately 2 inches by 3 inches, just a small ID tag, just in case your exhibit tag falls off of your poster later on during judging or at the 4-H fair. The last tip we have I want to share with you, we've got our poster laying here on the hard foam core backing. Take advantage of the resources that are available at the Extension office. We sell this backing for $4 in our office. We also sell the nice plastic sleeves that are just exactly this size. They just slide right onto the poster once you get everything attached and you're all ready. Those are $1. So you can stop into our office and pick up those materials to help you complete the exhibit once you get your project done. So we really thank you for taking a few minutes to meet with us and get some suggestions for a terrific 4-H poster.
Thank you so much for watching.